Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable two-step verification on Notion. So to turn off the two-step verification on your account, let me show you. Head over to your settings right here, and you need to click on your account at the top. Once you click on your account, click on Change Verification Method. And now you're going to see this one. So click on the first one, click on the one that you're using. So I'm using this Authenticator app. So let's click on it. So now enter the code from your Authenticator app. So mine is 599944, and now click on Continue. So right here, you're going to see the option to turn off your two-step verification. So click on Turn Off and click on Turn Off. So as you can see, two-step verification is now turned off. Found this video helpful? Smash the like button and subscribe.